name is Sattamay Tripathi. My name is Sattamay Tripathi. My class LKG. महात्मा गांधी हमारे देश के राष्ट्रपिता हैं। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ था। उनको हम बापू के नाम से भी जानते हैं, इसलिए 2 अक्टूबर गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है।
Hi all.
Myself Sanvi Singh. I am going to tell you something about the father of nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. He fought for the freedom of our nation. Truth and non-violence were his tool to fight against British. His way of fighting was Satyagrah. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Thank you all.
Morning teacher, आज गांधी 2 अक्टूबर, आज मैं गांधी जी के कुछ बनाने डाला। Good morning all of you. My name is आदेश यादव, क्लास UKG। आज ही के दिन महात्मा गांधी का जन्म हुआ था। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी जी है। इनको लोग प्यार से बापू कहते थे। इनका देश के आजादी में बहुत बड़ा योगदान था, इसलिए इनको महात्मा गांधी की उपाधि दी गई। कहूँगा आज खुशी का दिन है। आज महात्मा गांधी जी का बर्थडे है। आज हम लोग केक खाएंगे और केक और मिठाई खाएंगे। My name is Gatrari Gautam, class UKG, my poem. बड़े मिले तो करो नमस्ते, शिष्टाचार जरूरी है। बड़ा हो या संगी साथी सबको प्यार जरूरी है। थैंक यू।
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, आधार्य प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षागण और मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों को मेरा नमस्कार। आज गांधी जयंती के पावन अवसर पर मैं समाई में चंद शब्द कहना चाहता। ईद हुए हर साल 2 अक्टूबर को पूरा भारत में गांधी जयंती मनाई पानी है। इस दिन हम हमारे राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का जन्मदिन मनाते हैं। उनका जन्मदिन 2 अक्टूबर आता है। पिता अहिंसा दिवस के तेरे पर माना जाता है। महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1879 को पवित्र गुजरात में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। उन्हें हम आदर और सम्मान से महात्मा गांधी राष्ट्रपिता और बाबू भी कहते थे। महात्मा गांधी ने ड्रैगन से कानून की पढ़ाई की। उन्होंने कुछ साल भारत और दक्षिण अफ्रीका में वकालत की। देश की आज़ादी के लिए उन्होंने अपना जीवन समर्पित किया। अंग्रेजी के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए उन्होंने सत्याग्रह आंदोलन शुरू किया। उनके नेतृत्व में 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत अंग्रेज शासन से आज़ाद हुए। बाबू हमेशा अहिंसा, सत्य और शांति के मार्ग पर चलते रहे हैं। उन्होंने हमारे सामने देशभक्त बलिदान और सादगी का उत्तम उदाहरण प्रस्थापित किए हैं। उनका जीवन हमेशा हमारे लिए प्रेरणा स्थान रहे हैं। देश की आज़ादी को उन्होंने कभी अपना जीवन का अंतिम लक्ष्य नहीं माना। उन्होंने हमेशा यही कहा कि इस आज़ादी का तब तक कोई मूल्य नहीं जब तक विकास तक की सबसे कमजोर और सबसे पीड़ित को अन्याय से।
नमस्ते टीचर, मैं आयुषी चौरसिया। आज गांधी जयंती है, इसलिए मैं एक भाषण देना चाहती हूँ। हमारा देश महान स्त्री और पुरुषों का देश है। जिन्होंने ऐसे अच्छे काम किए हैं उन्हें भारतवासी याद रखेंगे। जैसे कि महापुरुष में से एक महात्मा गांधी भी थे। वो ही देश को आज़ाद कराया था। नमस्ते टीचर।
मेरा नाम आदर्श, मैं क्लास 3 में पढ़ता हूँ। गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के
पोरबंदर गांव में हुआ था। और गांधी जी राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी जाने जाते थे। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। My name is Pratigya Verma. I read in class 3rd. Today is my Hindi speech on गांधी जी। और मैं आप सबको गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ था। गांधी जी एक महान भारतीय नेता थे। हर भारतीय को गांधी जी पर गर्व था। गांधी जी यानी मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी का जन्म पोरबंदर में हुआ था। महात्मा गांधी के पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी था और उनकी मां का नाम पुतलीबाई था। और वे अपनी उच्च शिक्षा के लिए इंग्लैंड गए थे और वे एक वकील थे। और उनकी मृत्यु 30 जनवरी को हुई थी। थैंक यू एंड विश यू अ हैप्पी गांधी जयंती।
आपसे बोलो।
Good morning, respect principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. His father Karamchand Gandhi was a chief minister of Porbandar. Gandhi ji was the greatest freedom fighter and also known as father of the nation. Our Rashtrapita is also wore a simple dhoti made Gandhi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movement to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Chandramukhi Chan. I study class 4th. Today my speech is, his full name is Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born now October 2, 1869 is Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name Putlibai. He is our family is Gujarati. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. His full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Will call him Bapu.
नमस्ते टीचर, मैं सक्षम चौरसिया गांधी जयंती के बारे में भाषण देने जा रहा हूँ। भारत के महान नायक एवं राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से महात्मा गांधी का जन्म सन 1869 ईस्वी को गुजरात के पोरबंदर नामक जिले में हुआ था। थैंक्स टीचर।
Good morning. My name is Sivan Srivastav, class 4th. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi ji was born on 2 October in 1869 in Gujarat. He was a lawyer. He is called the father of nation. We also call him Bapu. Gandhi ji helped India to get freedom. He thought the Hindu and Muslim to be friends with each other. He told the rich to help the poor. He taught the people to India to cooperate and stand united. He made the people of India strong and brave. After independence, Gandhi ji was killed on January 30 in 1948. His birthday is celebrated on October 2 every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind.
Hello, I am Ayushi, class 5. Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. On this great day, I will wish you very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him name of Father of Nation, and Rabindranath Tagore gave him name of Bapu. Sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, on 2nd October every year is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to Indian independence by using his strong weapon non-violence. This day is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. He was devotee of truth and non-violence. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi value and deed, but we as the future of the country, we can honor him by living our life with his principle of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an inscrutable nation.
I read in class 5th. Today here is a topic Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was born 2 October 1869 in Gujarat. He was a lawyer. He is called Father of Nation. We also call him Bapu. Gandhi helped to India get freedom. He was taught also Hindu and Muslim to be friends. He taught peoples India cooperative and stand united. He made people of strong and brave. After Independence Day, Gandhi was killed on 30 January 1948. His birthday is celebrated on 2 October.
To all, my name is Shivam Maurya. I read in class 5th A. Today I am come with a speech about महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात में पोरबंदर जिले में हुआ और इनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी था और इनके माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था. ये छोटे से ही डॉक्टर बनना चाहते थे, परंतु इनके परिवार के धार्मिक कारणों की वजह से ये डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाए. ये छोटे से ही राजा हरिश्चंद्र और श्रवण कुमार की कहानियाँ तभी से पसंद करते थे और तभी से ये अहिंसा और सत्य के पुजारी बन गए. ये समय के बहुत पाबंद थे और ये भारतवासियों के लिए अनेक आंदोलन छेड़ा है. चंपारण आंदोलन, खेड़ा आंदोलन, खिलाफत आंदोलन, असहयोग आंदोलन, भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन, सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन. तो इस तरह महात्मा गांधी ने भारत को आजाद करवाया. इनका विवाह कस्तूरबा बाई से हुआ. ये महान गांधी जी को रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी ने महात्मा नाम से पुकारा. महात्मा गांधी जी 30 जनवरी 1948 में पंचतत्व में विलीन हो गए और इनकी सीख आज भी कायम है. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का जन्म भी 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ. ये पूरे भारत के द्वितीय प्रधानमंत्री थे. इनका एक आंदोलन था, जय जवान जय किसान। थैंक यू।
Morning to all, myself Yani Yadav. I is studying class 5th. My school name is Ram Bhagat Children's Academy. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. The occupiers of Shastri and Gandhi have taken a speech of Gandhi's purpose. I will taken a speech of all of you. तैरना है तो समुद्र में तैरो, नदी नाला क्या चीज़ है। लड़ना है तो वतन के लिए लड़ो, लड़ना है तो वतन के लिए लड़ो। हिंदू मुस्लिम क्या चीज़। माई स्टार्ट स्पीच। Gandhiji was born 2 October 1869 in Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Levi Gandhi. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. He was studying in England regularly student. He was written in India 1915. The legislative Gandhiji too and though and died. On 13 January 1948, Nathuram Godse tell Gandhiji, thank you and have a nice day. I wish you all happy Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mayank Pathak, class 6th. I am going to deliver a speech about Gandhi Jayanti and as well as Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti also. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Father of Nation, he was a powerful leader of India. He was born on October 2, 1869 at a small town named Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi 150th anniversary will celebrate in India, not only in India, with different programs around the world. On the occasion, students will give different stage programs and speech. He played a very important role to free the India. Because of his struggle, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on October 2 to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the world, this day was celebrated as International Day Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi spirits of peace and non-violence. He fought for freedom of our nation. His way of fighting was Satyagraha. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Today Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti also. He was second Prime Minister of India. He was born on Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh, United Province of Agra and Old British, India on 2nd October 1204. He studied in Harish Chand High School and East Central Railway, Itar College. He also joined the movement of India in India. Thank you.
Everyone, respected director, sir, principal, ma'am, and most respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Naitik Chaturvedi from class 6. Today is 2nd October. This is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in our country. Today I am going to tell about you something about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is also known as Mission of Clean India. It was the first population to have taken place in every cities and villages of India to make clean by the Indian government and introduced by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. It was launched on 2nd October to honor Mahatma Gandhi's legend of Clean India. In short, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a great start to make India cleaner and greener. Thanks and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello sir and ma'am, good morning. My name is Sakshi Gupta and I read in class 6th. आज 2 अक्टूबर है गांधी जयंती। मैं गांधी जी के बारे में उनके लिए कुछ लाइन बोलना चाहती हूँ। Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi born was 2 October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi went to England to study law. We also call him Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi shot dead 30 January 1948. Mahatma Gandhi freed India from British 1947. Thank you.
Morning to all of you. I self Ujjwal Pratap of class 6. I want to speak a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate on 2nd October in Porbandar, Gujarat at the 151st birth anniversary of Gandhiji, who spoke Babu. I love his favorite song Raghupati Raghav. He also sung at some of the meetings. He led the Dandi Salt March in 1930. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement. He died in 30 January 1948 in New Delhi. Children play act based on Mahatma Gandhi. Street march educate people about the values of truthful living. People take to clean their school, office, society, etc. Lal Bahadur Shastri, also born 2nd October 1904. He also contributed in Swachh Bharat Mission Abhiyan with Gandhiji public cleanliness, sanitization, Gandhian movement and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Gandhiji said that unless we rid ourselves of our dirty habits and have improved the laziness, Swaraj can have no values for us. Along with the struggle for India's independence, he led a contribution struggle for sanitization, cleanliness and infection management of all categories of India. Thank you, all of you.
Sir, principal ma'am and all my dear teachers, today I am gathered here to tell a speech on Gandhi Jayanti on the occasion of 2nd October. We all are, and my name is Abhinay Yadav, class 7th, and I am going to tell a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. My dear director sir, principal ma'am and all my dear teachers, today I am gathered here to pay our homage to the father of the nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as the Mahatma Gandhi. To many, this speech is dedicated to this person whose principal that values are even today being considered instrument in gaining independence from the foreign dominance. Gandhiji expanded his non-violent and non-cooperation, include the Swadeshi policy, which means boycotting British made good, and he also advocated for the use of khaki instead of foreign made goods.
नमस्कार, मैं अभिषेक यादव कक्षा 7 का विद्यार्थी हूँ। मैं लाल बहादुर शास्त्री के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री भारत के महत्वपूर्ण नेताओं में से एक थे, जिन्होंने देश के स्वाधीनता के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी और दूसरों के साथ के लिए प्रेरित किया। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1904 को मुगल सराय के उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ। शारदा प्रसाद के यहाँ हुआ था। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी की मां का नाम राम दुलारी था। वह गांधी जी के विचारों से काफ़ी प्रभावित थे, इसलिए उन्होंने गांधी जी के मार्ग पर चलने का निर्णय लिया। उन्होंने गांधी जी के साथ कई आंदोलनों में हिस्सा लिया। भारत को अंग्रेजों के चंगुल से छुड़ाने के लिए उन्होंने अपना योगदान दिया। इस लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए उन्होंने पूरी निष्ठा से योगदान दिया। इस तरह उन्होंने पूरे 9 साल जेल में भी बिताए। वह पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के करीब थे और इसलिए वह भारत के दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री बने। उन्होंने 1965 के भारत पाक युद्ध में भी योगदान दिया। उनका दिया हुआ नारा जय जवान जय किसान बहुत प्रसिद्ध हुआ। यह नारा भारत के किसानों एवं जवानों के लिए को प्रेरित किया। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी की मृत्यु 11 जनवरी 1966 को हुई। लोग कहते हैं कि इनकी मृत्यु दिल का दौरा पड़ने से हुई और बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि इसे हत्या मानते हैं।
Good morning to all. My name is Avnish from class 7. Today I am here with a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political atheist. In India, Gandhi's birthday is known as the national holiday and globally it is an international day of non-violence. On this day, many cultural events are organized, like rallies, poster making and speeches are organized in every nook and corner of the country. On this day, educational institutes organize various cultural and academic programs to inculcate the value of leadership, simplicity and integrity in students. Students participate in huge numbers in speech to debate on this day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Somare. I read in class 7. Today I am here with a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year all over India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He followed the rule of non-violence. His father name was Karamchand and mother name was Putli Bai. Gandhi ji is also known as Bapu and father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi's favorite song was Raghupat Raghav Raja Ram Patit Paman Sita Ram. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who spent his whole life in struggle for the independence of India. He was born in the Indian Hindu family on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi was a...
My name is Shivam Verma. I read in class 7th. Today I will say a special speech on Gandhi Jayanti. में हर वर्ष 2 अक्टूबर के दिन को गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। देश को अंग्रेजों से आज़ादी दिलाने में इनका अहम भूमिका है। इनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात पोरबंदर जिले में हुआ था, यानी कि इनका 151वां जयंती मनाया जाता है। और अहिंसा को लेकर गांधी जी का विचार ना कि भारत पूरी दुनिया को मार्गदर्शन यही करते रहेंगे। गांधी जी के सम्मान में 2 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दिवस भी मनाया जाता है। गांधी जयंती के दिन स्कूल और कॉलेजों में वाद विवाद और भाषण प्रतियोगिता होती है और इस साल कोरोना वायरस के वजह स्कूल बंद है। कई स्कूलों में ऑनलाइन से भाषण निबंध कला प्रतियोगिता हो रहा है।
Good morning, respected teachers and respected principal and all my dear friends. Myself Chansika, studying class 8. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October in 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat in a Hindu family. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name was Putli Bai. He is also called father of nation. We also fondly call him Bapu. He was used to wear only a simple dhoti. He believed in a simple living and high thinking. He was greatest leader of India. He was a simple man with great work. His favorite song was Raghupat Raghav Rajaram. Gandhiji was a greatest soul and a greatest freedom fighter. Then Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat, about the Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a national level campaign run by the Indian government to make India clean. It was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi had a dream of making our country a clean country. Hence, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on Mahatma Gandhi the 145 birth anniversary on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi. Thank you. Myself, Chansika, studying class 8th. Thank you.
All and respected to all, my name is Dhanveer Yadav. I reading class 8. I say a small speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2 October in every year to commemorate the birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. In India, Mahatma Gandhi birthday 2 October is a national holiday. Gandhiji birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. Of the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, multiple events like poster making and speeches are organized. On this day, educational institutions organize the various cultural and academic programs to calculate the leadership and simplicity and integrity. Thank you and have a nice day. I wish a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning to all respected directors, sir, principal ma'am and most respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ekta Kasaudan. I study in class 8. So today I am here with the speech about 2 lines of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state, and his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putli Bai. Mahatma Gandhi wife's name is Kasturba Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had 4 sons. Mahatma Gandhi was a biggest and greatest patriotic in India. He was studied in law of University of London, and he was greatest freedom fighter of India, and he was always speak with truth and not a lie, and always our surrounding neat and clean. He was returned India on a barrister and took a part of struggle of freedom, and Mahatma Gandhi was death on 30 January 1948. I would like to end my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all teachers. My name is Sakshi Sarsia. I study in class 8th. Today some line Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putli Bai. Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also called in Bapu. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba and had 4 sons. Gandhiji was a freedom fighter and uses khadi cloth. Thanks.
Good morning to all. Myself Srishti Chaturvedi. I study in class 8. Today I am here with a short speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant and popular mission that takes place in India. It was administered by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, was launched this mission on 2nd October 2014. Our Prime Minister comprehended the requirement for neatness and paid attention on it. Mahatma Gandhi had said that sanitation is a higher priority than independence, and this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was a most mission and a great mission of India. Narendra Modi wants to clean our whole nation, and the whole citizen have also take this mission and clean their cities and towns, villages, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good morning to all my respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Dipankar from class 9. Today I am here to share a short speech on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So let's get started. Because of his long struggle for the independence of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him a title, the father of the nation, and sometimes also we call him Bapu. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in our country every year on 2nd October to pay tribute to him. He was devotee to entire life and by the using of non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in whole nation, this day is celebrated as the National Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is also celebrated to remain the Gandhi's principle of peace and non-violence, to educate and inspire the new generation, and the contribution made by the Gandhiji to make India an independent country. Educate and inspires the new generation. The contribution made by the Gandhiji to make the independent India. They learn very well. He has gone through a long struggle so that people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was the devotee of truth and non-violence. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced that this day celebrated as the National Day of Non-Violence on 15th June 2007. Our Prime Minister on 2nd October 2014 announced that this day celebrated as the Swachh Bharat Mission or Clean India. The main intention of this campaign is to clean the 4,041 towns and cities of the country. So, thank you for watching this video.
Today I am here to deliver a speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Making India a clean whole nation was a fantasy of Mahatma Gandhi. Remembering this, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was begun to humble Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014 on the event of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday celebration. The principal goal of this battle to take out the poop in one by making latrines in both country and urban territories along these lines. Because the spread of foulness and irresistible infections, this battle is to make residents mindful about tidiness and inspiration them to tidy up clean lanes and streets, advance neatness programs in provincial zones and so forth. For the advancement of India, the individuals of India should be soiled and acceptable well-being which will possibly when there is neatness. What's more, when we will prevail with regards to doing this, the fantasy of Mahatma Gandhi's perfect India will satisfy that day. Let's pledge to do this. Thank you. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was propelled on 2nd October 2014. It was propelled by Prime Minister of India from New Delhi. The principal objective behind the propelling the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was to make India open defecation free. During the time spent Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it was planned for building 90 million toilets in India. The legislature additionally gives 12,000 as a motivator to those country families who venture forward to build a latrine themselves. The World Bank likewise gave assets to work the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan effectively. The renowned characters like Kapil Sharma, Saurav Ganguly, Kiran Bedi, Arun Puri and others were designated as brand ambassador of this crusade. The administration information said that 3.25 lakh towns in India were proclaimed open crab free by 2018. Also, a few associations that is information given by the government is bogus and deluding.
Good morning to all. My name is Shalini Yadav. I study in class 9. Today on the occasion of Gandhi and Shastri Jayanti, I am here with a short speech on our respected Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was very intelligent person, as we already know. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. His father Sadar Prasad Srivastava was a school teacher and his mother Ram Dulari Devi was an idle woman. He was much impressed by the speech given by our national father Mahatma Gandhi in Hindu University at Banaras. After listening and taking part in the assembly of speech, he decided that I involve myself fully toward independence of India, and he do so many struggles. He go door to door to aware people about to not pay tax to the Britishers, and he aware people about the caste system, dowry system. After the death of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he becomes second Prime Minister. After becoming second Prime Minister, he is the only Prime Minister who represents our country in national and international level. He do work in the field of poverty, unemployment, and he also aware people to get educated, to get a government job and get a private job, or to not to be employment. He aware people about caste system, dowry system, and so other things. He was the only Prime Minister who get first Bharat Ratna for his progressive work. On 11th January 1966, he got death and he left in Delhi. And after his death, our country are not in that progressive mode that time. Thank you and have a nice day.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, माननीय शिक्षक वृंद और उपस्थित सभी बड़ों और साथियों को नमस्कार। आज सबके सामने स्वच्छता और गांधी जयंती पर चंद शब्द बोलना चाहती हूँ। गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। गांधी जी के माता का नाम पुतलीबाई और उनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी था। महात्मा गांधी का जन्म गुजरात राज्य के पोरबंदर जिले में हुआ था। उनकी माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। सभी लोग उनको प्यार से बापू कहते थे। इन्हें राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी जाना जाता था। स्वच्छता की गांधी जी का बहुत लगाव था। स्वच्छता और स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से कोई भी व्यक्ति वंचित नहीं है और स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का शुभारंभ 2 अक्टूबर 2014 को मोदी जी के शुभ हाथों से हुआ था। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का अर्थ है कि भारत को स्वच्छता की ओर परिवर्तित करना। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all. My name is Pragya Verma. I study in class 9. Today I am here to give a speech on Mahatma Gandhi and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in English on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. So my speech begins. First of all, I will wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to honor the great leader
Mahatma Gandhi, without whom it would not be possible for the Indians to get freedom from the clutches of Britishers. Gandhi Jayanti is declared as a national holiday, but it is celebrated in every school and colleges to remember the great Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi loves cleanliness and the world becomes so dirty. So the Indian government started a new mission on 2 October 2014 to clean the whole country and named it the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or the Swachh Bharat Mission. The Swachh Bharat Mission is started in 2 phases. First phase was started on 2 October and its slogan is "One step towards cleanliness means एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर." First phase of this movement was started in 2014 to 2019 and ends on 2019. The next phase will begin from 2021 to 2025. A speech is not enough to talk about the deeds and good works of Mahatma Gandhi, and the only way to honor him is by living a life of prestige and truth and non-violence. So here my speech came to an end, and the only way to remember Gandhi ji is to make our India an incredible nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all respected directors, sir, principal ma'am, and most respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Parviya Do. I study in class 10th. Today I am here a short speech about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and the great patriot in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar state, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His wife name was Kasturba Gandhi, and they had 4 sons. Gandhi ji studied law from the University of London. He returned to India in 1915 as a barrister and took part in struggle for freedom. As a part of freedom struggles, Mahatma Gandhi launched important movements like सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट, खेड़ा सत्याग्रह, चंपारण सत्याग्रह, खिलाफत, नॉन वायलेंस, सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह, दांडी मार्च. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave him whole life the nation. No doubts, people refers to him on the father of the nation. His empathy for the oppressed and lower caste peoples is absolutely unparalleled. This great man continues to command respect not only in India but all over the world. He was the first man to apply non-violence concept on a massive political scale. This man always preached the people's regarding the importance of ahimsa and non-violence. Under the guidance, we became free on 15th August 1947. Truth and ahimsa were giving principles of his life. His favorite song was Raghupat Raghav Rajarams, and he was a great soul and great freedom fighter. His slogan was "Do or Die." Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 13th January 1948. Thank you and